German banking and Commerzbank include neglected merge negotiations, proverb the transactions would include been too dangerous. Both of banks told the transactions would not include engendered adequate benefits to displacement the expenses of the transactions. The Deutsche Banks just introduced official merge negotiations recent monthly. The Deutsche by the government had been support the neck tie-up. In accountable proverb Financial Secretary Olaf Scholz requested a domestic defend in the banking business production. The by the government yet owns a 15.5% share in Commerzbank, purchased following the banking was bailed out next the finance meltdown. The transactions was seen as a way of resurgent the fortunes of both of banks. Combination, the banks would include controllable 1/5 of Germany's top road banking business industry in €1.8 billion, $2 pound, of holdings, such as loans and investment. German banking will go on to overview all alternatives to enhance length-term efficiency and stockholder returns, it told. Commerzbank head execution Martin Zielke told it had done feeling to believe the transactions, but loved German banking. It signed how the capacity benefits did not excuse the additional expenses and hazard. German banking has been fighting to produce increase and has been hampered by losses at its U.S. invest banking business operative. Commerzbank has as well found it hard to increase. Both of banks are cladding an economical slowing in Germany and in the Eurozone. Critics of the necktie up told how uniting two fighting banks would include fair created one big banking in problems. In supplement, the transactions florid opposition of unions who afraid how more than rather than 10,000 jobs would be cut off. German banking's repeated efforts to reorganize its industry include stalled onto analysts at Invest Banking Keefe, Bruet and Woods. It told the banking was cladding a impoverished economical environmental, growing expenses for financing and disappointed clients and employees. In comparison with peers, German banking does not include the opulence to drop behind on big, advantageous components of its industry to assist displacement struggles in another place, their paper told. The analysts told how German banking should do future intermittent to its world operative.